Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula and I received something from FedEx. It's not in the best of shape, but that's okay because what is in it is in the best of shape and I'm very excited about it. So when I open it up, it's my American Influence Beauty Bundle. And if you want to see what's in it, then keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. And if you like all things about makeup box unboxings, and tips and tricks from a pretty new makeup person, then give me a big thumbs up. I'm not a makeup artist. I've never taken any classes. I'm just kind of getting into it and starting to play. So, let's dive in and see what's in the American Influence Bundle. This is a bi-monthly subscription for $34. The last one I received was in May, and it was for April and May. And the reason why I got it in May is because, I think I got it in April. I did get it in April, and it was for April and May, and this one's for June and July. The AIA bundles pick a beauty influencer to curate each box. The last one we received was the hair care products from Guy Tang, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it right here. I just started using them yesterday, and I love them. They smell wonderful, and they leave my hair soft and feeling really good and shiny. So I like that. This box for June and July is curated by Mana Kadar. I am thrilled to be partnering with the AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your Mana Kadar beauty goodies, as these are some of our favorite products. We want to see your looks, so please follow and tag us. And it says XOXO Mana. And then the other side tells me all of the fun things that are inside of it. So, beautiful box. I love the pink. Give you a quick little peek. Pink! I love pink! Okay. The first one is this. It's a hydrating face mask, and all of these are full-size products. Skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application, and it is $19. And it does have like the rose water smell to it. Yeah, it smells really good. Oh, I love that. And I love the color. The color is just beautiful. Hydrating face mist. I love that color. Okay, I'm just grabbing. The next one is Luxe Lash Serum. This is made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set of lashes. And this is $29. I have on false lashes today, and if you want to see that train wreck, because this is the first time I've ever put them on, I'll link it right here. And my lashes have always been skinny and light, so I will be really anxious to be trying this. Beautiful packaging. Got a little diamond like at the tip, and it's just a spoolie telling me it's clear. So that's the lash serum. I will be loving trying this. Okay, the next one looks like it goes with it. It's Turn It Up Mana Kadar Beauty volumizing mascara. And turn it up. Rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. That's cute. Flutter with flair. And it is also $29. Okay, I'm needing to start a new mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and open this one so we can see what it is. That way I can use the mascara and the serum all together. Serum. I'm from Texas. How do you say serum? 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 Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I'm a Texas gal. Ooh, that's kind of a funny looking wand. I'll have to let you know how I like that one. Kind of fatter in the middle. We'll see. But that's, she said it was made to get all of the lashes. The next one is a Step 3 Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and stain, infused with nourishing vitamin A and E and berry extract. This one's $24. Let's see. There's what it looks like. Simply Beautified. Step 3. And it's a sienna. Oops. Applicator. Let's swatch it. And it's kind of a neutral color, which I really like. And that's a color that I will use. Use quite a bit of that color, so that's a very good color for me. Very good. I like that one. The next one is Amana Kadar Step 3 Uptown 3-in-1 Highlighter, Shadow, and Blush. And it says multi-purpose, time-saving compact, can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and a glowing finish. And this is $24. So let's open it up. Oh, it's got a safety seal on it, which is very good. There's my little scissors. Love safety seals. Step 3. You see my camera in that. It was so shiny. Oh. Okay, it's got a little mirror in it, and there's what it looks like. The shimmer side and the matte side. Let's see if I can. It's kind of a pinky on the matte. Barely see it right there. A nice little glow of pink. Trying to build it up, see if it'll build up any. And it does. Okay, let's do this highlighter or shimmer. And it's right next to it. You can see that one there. Very good. Okay. Nice. This will be nice. You can just kind of carry it around. And it'll be nice to carry around and use it as you need it. And the next one is Mana Kadar HD Perfecting Powder. A little card. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear, universal powder for all skin tones. Keep makeup put all day long. and it's $29. And it also has a seal. Seals are good. We like seals. And a Kadar. See my camera again. It's so shiny on there. It's got to be a translucent powder. That's what it looks like. And it sounded like there might be like, oh, yep. You lift it up and there's a little sponge underneath it. Not that I would use this sponge, but I am gonna get my big fluffy brush, swirl it in there. See how I got some on it? I'm getting a little hot in here, so let's get rid of some of that shine. There we go. Okay, this will be good to carry in your purse. Then, so when you do start getting a shine, you can just touch it up with that or touch up your makeup and you're good to go. So that is all of my products. So that is 6 full-size products. So the box is $35 bi-monthly. $35? The box is $34 bi-monthly, and of all of my 6 products today came to a total of $154, and I'll put that right here. I think it's worth it. These were some great items. I'm anxious to get to try them. I loved my box before. It for $34, got some great items from it. Have you ever heard of the AIA Beauty Bundle? Are you interested in it? I'll put a link to it below. I am not affiliated with them in any way. I pay for my box, and they do not send anything to me for free, and I do not get any kind of kickback on anything that you might buy or purchase through them. Have you ever heard of Mana Kadar? Do you like her products? I've never heard of it, but I'm anxious to try them out. Let me know below. What products of hers do you like the best? I hope you liked this unboxing of the AIA Beauty Bundle. And remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.